대화 2.
지금 몇 시예요?
11시예요.
몇 시에 점심을 먹어요?
12시 30분에 먹어요.
지금, 지금. 오늘, 오늘. 어제, 어제. 내일, 내일. 오전, 오전. 오후, 오후. 낮, 낮. 밤, 밤. 새벽, 새벽. 아침, 아침. 점심, 점심. 저녁, 저녁.
Lesson 8, Grammar 2. Just as there are subject markers in Korean, what are those? 이가, good. There are also prepositions. It sounds like grammar class, right? What's a preposition again? A preposition comes before a noun to say where or why or a how, talking about time or place. We'll see some examples later. The preposition a is used for time words, and it's pronounced e. Unlike English, it comes after the word that it's about, and it fits right onto the end of the word, without a space in between. For example, in English, we say at 12 o'clock. But in Korean, the order is switched, like 12 at. In English, we say in the evening. What comes first? In, good. That's the preposition. But in Korean, the order is switched. Evening, in. Also, with time, we use at an hour, at 12, but we use in for a period of time, like the morning or the evening. But in Korean, we can say the same word for both, 에. In other words, 에 is used after words that indicate time to tell about a time when a certain thing takes place. 에 is used in the same form after the noun ending, whether there is a final consonant or not. 에 never changes if there's a vowel or a consonant. We always use 에 after a time word or expression. So let's look at some examples in a conversation together.
몇 시에 점심을 먹어요?
What time do you have lunch?
12시에 먹어요.
I have it at 12. Oh, that's very interesting, isn't it? In the question, we said a. But where is that in English? Do you see at or in here? No, it just says what time. But what comes first before time, right? And in Korean, the order is switched. So time, she, comes first and 에 comes next. 시에, 몇 시에. And look at the answer. At 12. How do we say at 12 in Korean? 12시에. Good. You got it. So let me ask you a question. What time do you have lunch? Did you say 12시에? Good. What time do you have breakfast? Did you say 7시에 or 8시에? Okay, whatever time you eat breakfast, that's breakfast time for you. Let's look at another example. Listen to the conversation first.
언제 운동해요? 저녁에 운동해요.
Good. Did you hear the A? Was it in the question or in the answer? In the answer, right? Great. Why is that? Why wasn't A in the question? There was no time expression. Good. It just said when. When doesn't need A in Korean, just 언제. So, the answer is, when do you work out? 저녁에, right. How about you? Do you work out in the evening or in the morning? If you work out in the morning, how do you say in the morning in Korean? 아침에. Good, you got it. Great. Does this make sense to you? Listening to Korean all the time will help you find A in the conversation. Time is just one of the ways we use this preposition.